Hello guys, welcome to Fun Tech channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you step by step by which you can create a non-Facebook account. When you are just about a new phone, and when you just open a Facebook app, this the page that is going to bring up for you, and you are going to click on get started. Your name, you are going to input your name. You are going to click on male, female, your gender, and the phone number. You are going to click on the phone number that you want to use, and you are going to click on next. Or if you want to sign up by email, you are going to click on sign up with email address. The password that you want to use. Save your login info. I'm going to save it. Agree to Facebook terms and policy. I agree. No, create no accounts. Send code. They are going to send me 4 digit code. They are going to send me confirmation code. We are still waiting for our confirmation code. We are still waiting for our confirmation code. Okay. You can see that we have input our confirmation code. That is 5 digits number. Add profile picture. Add. They are going to tell you to add your profile picture here. So you are going to go to the gallery to add any profile picture they want to add. So I'm coming. Here is we are going to add. I'm going to add anyone here. I'm going to add this one. Done. I'm going to click on done. You can see let's change our profile picture. You can see that let's start customizing the experience. turn on content to upload to find not now. Skip, add friends, skip. I'm going to skip. You can see this our new Facebook account. You can see that we have opened our Facebook account. You can see welcome. See the page is loading.